USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against yen. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. Below the video you will find some links. It says join free Telegram channel, so go and join Telegram if you want some free signals every now and then. And then check out the brokers and the platform right here. So I want you to sign up with these brokers, start a separate account for my signals only. So in that account, trade with my signals only. And then we will talk about how many trades did you win or lose. So have a separate account for my signals and the subscribe, like, do all of that. Coming back to the chart, starting the what are we starting? Top down approach with weekly time frame. So weekly we are down, but trying to move up. Okay. So this low never got broken. If I use my line in weekly, you see here, these red candles never broke this previous low. So we had been trying to go up since 21st of April. You can see this is the 21st of April. Since then, we had been trying to go up in weekly. Okay, it doesn't mean that we are officially in the uptrend. What it means that we are trying to go up, which could take months because we are talking about weekly time frame. Okay, but at the same time, we can lose a lot of money if you don't get it right. Okay, so in weekly, we could say that we are officially in the uptrend in weekly, but again, in weekly, results come after about 2 months only, okay? So coming back to daily here, in daily, we have crossed above the EMA once again, we have broken above the EMA. So you see here, we closed above the EMA, then went down, and then again closed above the EMA, then went down, and now we have closed above the EMA once again. So this is quite tricky because you see, this low is broken as well. So if you come here, this red candle has broken below this previous low. So this could continue as the downtrend, but time will tell. What I'm going to give you is free trade, okay? So in daily, we have closed above the EMA. So officially, we are in the uptrend. Now, let's see our entry in 4 hour. In 4 hour, if you go and watch my last USDJPY video, I gave you a free trade because I think... yeah, so these were the candles on last Friday. So when I recorded the video on Sunday, I told you to enter the USDJPY market after 1 hour when the market opens on Monday morning. Okay, Monday morning means whichever country you are, as soon the Forex market opens on Monday, after 1 hour, I told you to enter long in USDJPY and take 50 pips, take 50 pips profit, and that's what this candle gave you. So if you would have listened to me in my last USDJPY video, if you entered right here, then your profits were right here, 50 pips for free money on the table. I told you in the last USDJPY video, go and watch it, okay? Now, what is the free trade in USDJPY? Very, very simple here. Use your fib levels from here till here. Wait for the pullback rejection from the EMA, then blue candle, then go long free money, okay? So if you are a scalper or something, if you want to counter trade, you can take sell right now. If you're a scalper means 15 minutes, 5 minutes guy or trader, okay? So if you're a trade short time, very short time, then take sells here. But if you are a swing trader, then that's your free entry here, right here. This is your what? Fibonacci tools, okay? Wait for the pullback for maybe 61%, maybe 78%. If it rejects the EMA, that's well and good. Otherwise, 68%. Then blue candle, then you go long again, take your 100 pips. So clearly, this trade will give you 100 pips. Wait for the pullback to complete. Blue candle, enter long, 100 pips, get relaxed. Too much information for free. Too much money for free on the table. If you like what you see, subscribe, like, share, join Telegram, join brokers. Do it. Do you understand what I'm giving you for free? Do you have any idea? Do you have any idea? I just gave you 100 pips in this trade. I gave you 50 pips on Sunday. If only you would have listened to me, you would have made so much money, okay? So nobody else tells you when to enter, when to exit, or how many pips to take in a particular trade. What everybody else is doing for free, okay, trend is up, look for longs. Trend is down, look for shorts. I can do the same. Do you want me to do the same, or do you want me to do what I am doing right now? Because if I don't see people appreciating my work, I'll stop this. I don't owe anybody anything. You have to get that something, okay? So whoever is watching this video, it's your responsibility to subscribe, like, share, and do all of that. I'm not recording these videos for myself, am I? Nobody on YouTube records videos for themselves, okay? So if you find some value, and I'm not begging in front of you. I'm not begging anybody to subscribe to my channel, like the video. I'm giving you, look at my tagline, TubeCore, creating the need, not the greed. It's your need to watch my videos because you're getting money out of it, real money, okay? So let's work together. Work together as in I'm not getting any benefit from you, okay? So you are getting benefit from me. I'm giving you thousands and thousands of dollars of content for free, okay? So appreciate what you get for free. Sometimes people think, most of the time people think that, oh, it's a free YouTube video, it's just doing blah, 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 just like everybody else. No, I'm not everybody else. And I'm not doing blah, blah, blah. Go and watch my previous videos, especially USDJPY. Look how much money I have given you for free in USDJPY trades. So appreciate the free work. Nobody makes videos for themselves. I am not teaching myself this technical analysis. I know it already. It's not for me. It's for public. You. Subscribe, like, share, blah, 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 and have a good trading day.